In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to edit text inside of Sefaria. So I'm looking at the Ein Yaakov in English, and one thing I noticed is that there are these extra Roman numerals at the beginning of each section, which we don't really need. So how can I fix that? If I go to the About Text menu, which I can open by clicking the About Text button, or moving the mouse over to the left-hand side of the screen, I can click Edit Text to open this up in edit mode. Once I'm here, I can easily edit the text, just like you would expect, and get rid of some of these markers. Editing the text is pretty straightforward. It's just a text area. The only thing that happens special in here is that edit and return break things up into different sections. It's paragraphs or verses, depends on the text, what that's called. So the only thing to be mindful of is that if you're making those changes, you know that they're correct and that the labels you see on the left-hand side are what they should be. So I didn't change any of the breakup, I just took away those numbers. So now I can hit save. It tells me we're saving the text, and now I no longer have those Roman numerals here. So let me jump into a different text. The edit text button will open up whatever text you see. So right now I see the English JPS 1917. If I go into Hebrew mode instead, then I click this edit button. It'll let me open up the Hebrew text to edit. It's worth being mindful of that some texts, like translations in particular, are historical translations. This JPS 1917 text is a fixed edition from the past, so you may want to correct mistakes that you see. If there's a typo or a problem relative to the original 1917 translation, it'd be great if you could help make those edits. But if there's a different translation that you'd like to suggest, if you think something should be different, it's actually better not to edit that text, but to create a new translation, which you can do by adding a new translation here. That way we'll know that that's something that was created by you and not wrongly attributed to a historical version.